garden, and today is their annual Plein Invitational. I'm so glad that you could join me, and hopefully you'll sketch along too. Come along. They're painting this gorgeous view. When you find your spot, you find your spot. And then you might get hit by a tram.
Or you do gouache as well?
I do line and wash and watercolor. Line and wash is the more illustration technique.
And I think there are like urban sketchers around too. But
all over the place.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's who I'm with.
You're looking at them.
It's so fascinating. Like it's
Yeah.
just
This
oh
is
my
one.
God.
And this is one.
Hence my hat.
The urban sketchers. Okay.
The man,
And like you just
the
get
myth,
together.
the legend, James Gurney with the Department of Art hat on. I love it.
The high-rise
Oh, and this is a good thing.
building.
You get a press pass. This is there's no government authority that issues them, so you can make your own.
Make your own.
That's
You
right.
can get in free wherever you want to go, and
That is
do a blog
so
post.
correct.
You gotta post about it.
Because the Constitution awards us freedom of press.
Exactly.
That's right.
Painters, some acrylics, watercolors.
Enjoying a nice lunch. I saw you showing everyone a peek of your sketches. Were those all from today?
Well, one was from yesterday. This one is some pastas from yesterday.
Oh my gosh, beautiful.
And then today I was out there doing the tree peonies.
Yeah. And
See.
how does it work with the urban sketch as far as who's going where and what day?
Yeah, so
Oh, that's beautiful.
the tree peonies. And then what did I have? This is a skunk cabbage from my backyard. My granddaughter.
Love it.
It's a primed page.
Oh, I think I saw this one on your YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, wow.
No, I'm not sure.
So snow scenes and gouache.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Oh, sure.
It's all over there.
The conservatory is an icon of the garden, so I had to sketch it next. I already have my first wash in, so I'm going to start by darkening up and adding in some shadows. The darker areas are, the farther away they will appear. This will add depth and form to the painting, as those areas will appear to recede. This part of the painting is done in real time, but I'll be speeding up the video so that it doesn't get too boring. you.
That is tiny.
It's little, right?
You pencil it out first?
Yep, I put in a little bit of pencil first. This painting is quite tiny at just 2 inches by 3 inches. I had planned to make a larger painting, but I spent so much time chatting with other artists and friends that I really only had enough time to paint a couple of mini paintings. It brought me so much joy to see some of the artists in the garden that I haven't seen for a long time. So I'll happily trade my productivity for those wonderful conversations and time spent with them. With a painting this small, it really forces you to simplify everything and to not get too caught up in the details. But there are a few ways we can help add to the look of it so that we have just a few brush strokes that really create a lot of meaning to the painting. So here you'll see I'm adding darkness around the edges of the window, particularly on the top and then left and right side, leaving one side without the darker mark. And this really relates to how we see things in perspective as far as what areas of the window will be the darkest. And this really helps bring the painting to life. It's really important to have some dark tones in your painting, but remember that these tones need to be used very sparingly. now going to add some darker tones to the trees and greenery. This will help frame the conservatory and also provide contrast to the light facade. A few darker lines at the bottom of the painting will give an impression of the steps leading up to the conservatory. I'm adding a few final dark lines for contrast and to make those columns pop. Now we're at the final step. I'm going to add a little bit of detail in with a white jelly roll pen. Well, this little painting is almost finished, and if you're interested in seeing the other painting I did today, then please head on over to my Instagram. I'll be posting that over there so you can see it. And if you'd like to see a little bit more of the garden, stay tuned. Well, I really hope you enjoyed watching me paint this, and please don't forget to hit the like button because that really helps me out. Well, it's nearly the end of the day and the garden will be closing soon, so it's time now for me to go get on a train and go back home. Until next time, everyone, have a blessed day.